Hello and welcome back to my video classes. In this class we're going to be looking at the difference between look, see and watch. So to look at something or someone is you're trying to see, but if look is followed by that object you must use at. So we direct our eyes and we look at the object. We follow the object. So I can say I'm looking at you. I can't say I'm looking you or you're looking me. You have to use the preposition at. Another example, I looked everywhere for my keys. Look at. Now watch. This is talking about the fixation, so to look at something for a period of time, a long time. This is where you're normally sat like this, just watching someone carefully, closely. So we use watch when looking at things that move or change. So here is the example. He watched the television all evening. So don't forget things that move or change, talking about the television, the screen, the movie. I'm watching the movie. So see. Now this is when you notice people or things, but you're using your eyes. You're doing this in a very natural way without much effort. So, okay, I watched a football match, but I went to see a specific game. I'm talking about a particular game. So see is different to watch. I hope you're watching. Don't forget, you can indeed join my special English Video Club WeChat group where I post my videos weekly and you can learn from them and improve your English. And they're based on everyday topics, 5 minutes each video normally, and you can watch them to improve and to enrich your vocabulary and your fluency. If you are interested, then please do let me know and add me on WeChat, and I'll be more than happy to invite you to my group. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.